Here are the 5 signs your third eye is opening. Tell me about your awakening stage in the comments below. 1. You start to notice more than just what meets the eye. You understand people and situations on a deeper level, like you're tuned into a different frequency. 2. You feel a powerful connection to the universe. It's like you're part of something greater, and you can sense energies and vibrations that you couldn't before. 3. Even in chaotic situations, you find a sense of peace and calm. It's like you're rooted in your spiritual self, and external events can't shake you. 4. Your gut feelings become much stronger. You can easily tell if something is good or bad for you, almost like you have an internal compass directing you. 5. Your dreams become incredibly vivid and meaningful. It's like you're getting secret messages while you sleep, guiding you on your life journey.